Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can delete your Ubisoft account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For that matter, first of all, go ahead, open your mobile's browser. Once you do that, what you're going to do is simply go to your search bar, type in ubisoft.com and get to this kind of interface. Right, so once it's open, go ahead, tap on this profile icon of your mobile, and this will simply open your account's information, including this account management option, which you will see if you go below. What you're going to do is you're simply going to tap on this account management option, and this will take you to this another page simply over here. Once the loading is done, you're going to simply go ahead, tap on this account information given on the first option. Go ahead, tap on it, and if you scroll down you will be able to see an option called close your Ubisoft account, close, which is aka the deleting account option by Ubisoft given to all the users. You can see close your account will remove access to all your Ubisoft games, which definitely will do the same while deleting. For that matter, you're gonna simply go ahead and tap on this close account option, and this will open another option over here. You can see the effects of deleting account. It will show once go ahead, tap on this. I have read the above information. I would like to close my account regardless of the issue. I'm gonna simply go ahead, tap on this close my account. You're good to go. Your account will be closed right there in Ubisoft, aka delete. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.